Hi, my name is Muhammad Adha. Today I will present a brief overview of Beyond2You SDN BHD, an IT services company in Malaysia that supports sectors such as government, telecommunication, finance and utilities. Beyond2You is a strong example of digital transformation because the company uses modern technologies across its entire operation. First, in digital supply chain management, Beyond2You use a digital vendor system to track delivery performance, product quality and contract compliance. The company also applies the ITIL framework and use IoT and AI for automated monitoring, allowing early detection of technical issues. Their digital scheduling system also assigns engineers based on skills, location and urgency. Second, in e-procurement, all purchases requests, approvals and vendor quotation are handled in one digital platform. The use of e-invoice and digital payments makes the process faster, more accurate and transparent. Third, Beyond2You has a strong digital infrastructure, including a digital help desk, 24-hour network monitoring and cloud-based system that improve security and scalability. Although challenges such as high costs and cybersecurity risks exist, digitalization remains the foundation of Beyond2You's success. Thank you. That's all from me.